How to activate CIBC credit card. Let's get started. You can use the CIBC mobile app or also you can use the web version to log into your CIBC account. For this video, I will be using the web version. Launch your preferred browser and then type in CIBC Activate Credit Card and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Activate my credit card, open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now you can provide the credentials of your account and log into your account. Once logged in, you will see your home page. Look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on it to open the menu. Scroll down until you find the Activate Card option. Give it a tap. Next, you will need to enter your card number, expiry date and CVP, which is the cardholder personal verification code. Once you have filled in all the details, hit the Activate Card button. And that's it. Your CIBC credit or debit card is now activated and ready to use. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.